cannot be applied under these circumstances.
Martin, what's the significance of this ruling, given that this isn't the only court case ongoing regarding the deportation of Venezuelans, specifically to El Salvador as well? Could this, in your opinion, set a precedent followed by other courts?
So it's a huge precedent. It can be positively or negatively taken, but I think the good thing about this is like showing the protection of human rights above every political consideration. The negative part of this, I think, is putting the U.S. interest aside for a universal right. I think this will be harmful for the U.S. Internal security, but the precedent itself is that the law is above any political consideration, and that the law cannot be vaguely or really easily applied by politicians, that the law needs to be applied by the judges.
Martin, to bring an end to our discussion, I want to talk about that precedence. And we know, of course, that Trump has won a majority. He's been given the mandate. He also won the popular vote, and immigration was a key part of his election campaign. What does this say if the president isn't able to carry out his promises that he made during the election, and which ultimately the American people voted for?
That democracy in the US not necessarily is by numbers or by support, but we need to take also the consideration of substantial democracy. Sometimes democracy is not only about numbers or about how many people support that kind of administration, but also what the Constitution of the US says. Even though, in my opinion, some rulings can be harmful for the country, but it shows that the US has a very, very strong judiciary, a very strong respect for the Constitution, which is a good thing, even though in a security manner it can be negative.
Martin, thank you ever so much.